Everybody, and today I have come up with Ambbo chirdillo. This is a dish that can be had along with chapati or rice. In this dish, for mashing and squeezing the mangoes, you can use either the sour or the sweet type. For this preparation, you will need mangoes that are rich in fiber, and I would suggest that you go for the Chandrakaran variety mango, which is native of Ernakulam district in Kerala. If you don't get this mango in your place, you can even use any mango that is rich in fiber. The ripened one, that is the Chandrakaran one, the ripened one is having its own aroma and flavor that make you eat more and more. You can use either the ripened mango or the unripened one for your preparation. Coming to the ingredients, you need 2 fibrous mangoes, sweet and sour type, 2 to 3 green chilies or depending on your spiciness level, a small spoon of fresh coconut oil and a pinch of asafoetida and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients. I have taken 2 mangoes. You can take even more than that. So these are the Chandrakaran variety mango that I have used for my preparation. Wash and just tear the peel of the mangoes to be mashed and squeezed. Now squeeze the juice out of the mangoes and with clean hands. For squeezing the juice out of the peel, you need to add hot water to the peel and leave it for 5 minutes and then squeeze the peel with your hands. You can see that they come out clean. Throw the peel after squeezing. Now to the juice add sliced green chilies and asafoetida and salt and mix well. Your Ambbo chirdillo is ready to be served. Serve it along with rice or chapati. Usually it is preferred more with chapatis. So thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.